Everyone talking about the Nellcote by 1969. The notes in this are grapefruit, bergamot, petitgrain, pink pepper, elemi, lemon, lemon flower, violet, rose, jasmine, magnolia, osmanthus, black tea, cabreuva, cedar, patchouli, white amber, musk, moss, and gaiac wood. So this has an interesting inspiration. It is based on a house in France that was occupied by the Gestapo during the Nazi occupation of France. And then decades later, obviously, it was used to record the Rolling Stones album Exile on Main Street. So the property also has this really lush garden outside and then a recording studio at the basement level inside. So the scent is inspired kind of by that contrast of this beautiful lush floral garden and then the debauchery of the recording studio and stuff. I don't think they took the part about the Nazi history of it into the account of the smell. I kind of hope not, but yeah, it indeed does smell like a contrast of bright citrus and florals with darker and dirtier undertones, but mostly the clean, bright side with kind of this crisp, bright citrus and sunny, happy, yet elegant florals. There's a bit of rubbery black tea and kind of a little leatheriness lurking underneath. Yeah, I can see that, and also despite all the florals though, to me this is very easily unisex, and I know I've seen other guys talk about who don't like to wear feminine fragrances either, that they really like this one. So I don't think you need to shy away from it just because you don't like feminine fragrances. It's just very clean. But yeah, and that kind of rubberiness is sort of lying underneath. But yeah, it's sort of interesting contrast, but I would say the cleanness is by far taking center stage. Pretty versatile, workplace safe, but still being a little bit different than the typical one that you could describe that way. $195 for 100 milliliter, moderate to good longevity and projection, and yeah, unisex, and I'll link in the description where you can check it out.